In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for project management. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized space setup, a tailored workflow, and the core views you need to run your projects with confidence. Start on the ClickUp home screen, using the left sidebar to navigate. In the Spaces section, click the plus icon to create a new space. Think of a space as the container for an entire team or project area. Give it a clear, memorable name and choose an icon that makes it easy to spot in the sidebar. If it helps your team, add a short description to explain what belongs here and what doesn't. This makes onboarding new collaborators much smoother. Next, set your default permissions. Decide who should be able to view or edit by default. For sensitive work or an early stage project, toggle the space to private so only selected people have access. You can always open it up later as the project grows. If you want to move faster, browse the available templates. Templates can preload statuses, views, and click apps, but if you're unsure, continue without one for now. Click. Continue to move forward. Now define your workflow. Workflows drive how tasks move from start to finish, so choose one that reflects your team's rhythm. For this guide, pick project management. This gives you a solid baseline with statuses and views that most teams recognize. Before finalizing, review the default views, task statuses, and click apps. Views control how you see work. Statuses define your stages. Click apps add powerful features like time tracking or priorities. Tweak anything that doesn't fit your process, then click Create Space. With the space live, it's time to add a task. Create a task with a clear title and, if you can, add an assignee and due date so it immediately fits into your workflow. If your work needs another stage, add a new status to reflect it, maybe something like review or blocked. The goal is to make the path to done obvious and measurable. Open Customize to fine-tune details like fields, default views, and other settings. Keep it simple at first. You can always add more fields later as your process matures. Switch to the board view to manage tasks visually. Drag cards across statuses to reflect progress and quickly spot bottlenecks. Then check the calendar view to map tasks against time. This helps balance workloads and ensures deadlines are realistic and visible. That's it. Your space is ready, your workflow is defined, and your views are set for execution.